Hi there, welcome once again, and this is the time for learning skin retouch. And in this lesson we are going to learn how it will remove bad spot from the skin, and we are going to use a magical tool that's called spot healing brush tool. So what is spot healing brush tool in Adobe Photoshop? Spot healing brush tool can be used to clone areas from an image and blend the pixel from the target area. The basic principle is the texture from the sample area is blended with the color and luminosity surrounding wherever you paint. You can take a look. This is an image from our exercise file, but this is the output file. But if you take a look the previous situation of this image, you will be shocked. So let me turn off this no spot layer. This is the main image, and you can take a look the number of bad spot on her skin, and we are going to fix it. We are going to remove every single bad spot from the skin using spot healing brush tool. And once we applied the spot healing brush tool, the final output comes like that. Magic! All the spots are vanished, and we are going to learn this entire process. So let's take a look how you will apply spot healing brush tool in Adobe Photoshop for removing the bad spot from the skin. So right now we have to open our exercise file, and therefore we have to go for file menu, and from there we will go for open option. And inside the exercise file you will get the retouching folder, so you just have to open it, and inside the retouching folder you will get this bad spot image, so you just have to select it and then you have to click open. Okay, this is the image, and you can take a look the number of bad spots on her skin, and we are going to fix it. We are going to remove every single spot from her skin. So before that we have to duplicate the background layer. So this is the background layer. I want to duplicate this background layer. You just have to right click with your mouse, and then you just have to click the duplicate layer, and let me write no spot. And let me click OK. So this is our new layer, and right now we are going to use a spot healing brush tool. So this is spot healing brush tool. This is the spot healing brush tool. You just have to select this spot healing brush tool, and before using the brush tool, this spot healing brush tool, we have to change some settings. You can take a look. The size of brush is really so small, so we have to increase the size of brush. Okay, right now I only have a 13 pixel, but I want to increase. I want to go for 51 pixel, and we have to increase the hardness. So let me increase the hardness for 100%. The main fact is the type. Right now we have proximity match, but we are not going to use this proximity match for the type. We are going to use content aware, and there is another type that called create texture, but we are not going to use that. We will only use content aware because we have a very bad and heavy spot over here, and we are going to erase or remove, and we are going to fix this bad spot with the skin. Okay, so therefore we just have to use the content aware, and we will use 51 pixel for brush, and we are using 100% hardness. So let's start with this spot, and you have to place the spot inside your brush circle, and then you just have to click once with your mouse, and magic, you can take a look, the spot is gone. So let's work with this one, this one, this one, this one. You can take a look, it's really working so well. Okay, now let's erase all the spots step by steps. You just have to place the spot inside the brush circle, and then you just have to click once. Actually, we used 100% hardness, therefore it's removing within just a click. Okay, you can take a look. All the bad spots are removed from her skin, and if you compare between before and after, you can take a look. So let me turn off this no spot layer. This is the before image, and you can take a look. Very bad spots are on skin, and once you applied the spot healing brush tool, then you will have this one, and all the bad spots are removed. So this is how you will apply spot healing brush tool with the content aware type, and this is how you will remove bad spot from the skin using spot healing brush tool in Adobe Photoshop. So see you in next lesson.